everyone, it's grocery haul day from Aldi's and Walmart, and I have the hiccups, so this is probably going to be hilarious. 2 bags of finely shredded cheese, the sharp cheddar brand. We have the whipped cream cheese spread, 1 box of the 4 sticks of unsalted butter, extra sharp cheddar cheese in the block form, mozzarella cheese, pico de gallo mango salsa for the kids, sliced provolone cheese for us for lunches for this upcoming week. We have 1 of the Take and Bake Supreme pizzas buried underneath everything else. Yes, I will get the freezer stuff off it as soon as possible. I just needed to hurry. We also picked up 1 bag of Mandy's because we have, these were a specialty item that they had in the freezer section, vanilla and mint. You can see those. Those are for kiddos for tonight. 2 bags of restaurant style tortilla chips because the kids wanted chips and salsa, hence the salsa for them. And then I'm going to use the refried beans right here. So let's move back over to here for a second. Applewood smoked cheddar cheese for Matt and myself for a snack for this weekend. Protein snack selects for Matt. He only has 4 breakfasts next week because of the holidays. So he's going to take 3 of these for 3 days and then 1 pack of oatmeal for his 4th day. This one has the natural sharp cheddar cheese and honey brown sugar turkey sausage bites. 5 cans of the broccoli and cheese potato soup because it'll be a meal for when all 6 of us are home. And we don't quite need 6, we just need 5 because they're big cans. 4 bags of the frozen broccoli fillets, 3 bags of the steamed California medley. Did all of this, and okay, back over here. So yeah, the refried beans, that's what I'm going to use for the chip dip instead, and put a little bit of 1 of the bags of sharp cheddar shredded cheese on top of it. 1 can of pineapple to make our pineapple upside down oatmeal. The recipe video will be linked up here. 1/2 gallon of lactose-free milk for my lactose intolerant one. 1 gallon 2% milk for everybody else. 1 box of the instant oatmeal. The reason why we love this pack, if you haven't seen this before, it has the what they call like the spice box variety pack mix, the maple and brown sugar, apple and cinnamon spice, and then instead of having like another spice one and then just the plain one, they did a mix of like some of the fruity ones. So you also get peaches and cream and strawberries and cream, and we like that it has a good mix of those. And Aldi's is the only place we've seen it. And my kids don't like Quaker oatmeal now after trying the no artificial ingredients Aldi's brand. So, and it's cheaper. So it works out better for us. And they come in 10 packs per box instead of some of the Quaker oatmeal ones still have 8 on their variety boxes. We also have 1 more of the almond milk peppermint mocha coffee creamer because again with lactose tolerant one in the house. And I also like it better than the white chocolate peppermint one from Aldi's. And last but not least, guys, sorry, we only have the calcium and vitamin D this week, so I can't do the joke this week. But what I am going to do is, yay, I think my hiccups are gone. I'm going to put all this away and then we're going to show you Walmart with 2 things from IBOTTA, ShopKicks, and we didn't have any Fesh this week, so just IBOTTA and ShopKicks. From Walmart this week on IBOTTA, the code will be on the screen and all of the rebates on all the exact amounts in case I get something wrong verbally right now, because editing brain me is always more clear than filming me after we're going grocery shopping and all that. Anyways, it's just true, guys. So Charmin Essentials, the 72 count, or the 18 count that's supposed to be the same as 72. They don't even make small rolls anymore. That number always confuses me. So anyways, Charmin Essentials. Normally they don't do coupons on Charmin Essentials because it's already cheaper than the Ultra Soft, Ultra Strong, whatever. $1 off. IBOTTA. It'll be on the link will be on here for all of you. So that's what we picked up for today. And then here's the rest of Walmart. Guess what? Walmart was sold out of Cold Stone. Walmart was crazy today, guys. I went earlier in the day just trying to get groceries and a few other things, and it was crazy. But yeah, our Walmart was completely sold out of Cold Stone. So we do like the Great Value brand. It's one of the few off brands that we do like. They had it, so we went ahead and picked up the Italian sweet cream instead and picked up 2 of them. So we don't have to worry about if they're out next week of any flavor. Like, I like the neutrals because we have like flavor pods. So like a neutral coffee creamer is really essential for us, so that we can, well, not essential, anyways. Dr. Pepper Zero Sugars, a 6-pack of bottles for Matt for work to get through next week, the 4 days he's working. The Everything Bread meal plan for December, the entire month will be up here. This is part of it. We have it for a specific meal that we're doing this upcoming week. These 2 liters of Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar are for Matt for this week for at-home use. The kids and I don't drink Dr. Pepper. We have a thing of ginger ale down there, so we don't drink Dr. Pepper. We do drink like milk, orange juice, and water. Speaking of which, for milk, this is the Chobani oat milk, the extra creamy. Matt and I have started really liking it. So one week we went to go to the store and we still had a lot of this left. So we used it in our coffee that morning to kind of finish it off so we could get another one. And it was really good in coffee. So since then, sometimes Sarah drinks it. Sometimes she prefers her her milk-based lactose-free milk that she has. Sometimes she drinks this. And then for the rest of the time, Matt and I use it for our coffee, especially like when we're on the go and when it's still too hot to drink even with creamer in it. This is perfect. And oh, so that was the other Ibotta one. This is $1.50 off on Ibotta this week. Again, the code's up here. And there was also Shopkicks. There was I'll put that up here as well. So Shopkicks has its own separate thing. Shopkicks, you have to scan the item in store, then do the rebate. I think they may have changed it to where you could just do the receipt now, but ours at first, like Shopkicks, you have to scan the item in store, then you scan the receipt. So there's one discount for if you scan the item in store, and there was another one if you scan the receipt after you purchase this. There is a bonus one. I didn't do the bonus. You had to buy the yogurt for it. This is the time of year where I'm not a huge fan of the yogurt. I just prefer like warmer breakfast like biscuits or muffins or something like that. But yeah, so Shopkicks and Ibotta together, rebates on it, really helps us save a little bit of money into the holiday season. And that's it for Aldi's and Walmart.